So for this problem, to find the truth value of a compound statements, so first, we're going to use this as our guide to find the truth value for every connectors. So for this conjunction, if there is false, then the truth value is false. For this junction, if there is true, then the truth value is true. Then for this implication, so only true implies false is false, then the rest are true. Then for this by implication or double arrows, so if the same values, then the truth value is true. So if different, then the truth value is false. Then for this not false, that's true. And not true, that's false. This one for negation. So for this given, to find the truth value, so first, from the given two statements, so we need to find the truth value for every statements. So for P, 5 is an even number. So since 5 is not an even number because 5 is an odd number, so therefore P, the truth value is false. Then for Q, 5 squared gives 25. So since 5 times 5 is equal to 25, so therefore the truth value for Q is true. Then to find now the truth value for this compound statement, so first, we need to substitute the value for every variables. So for this negation of P and P, the truth value is false. Then this conjunction Q and the truth value is true. Then to simplify, so this not false, this one is true. Then the conjunction true. So again, using this guide for conjunction, if there is false, the truth value is false. Since this one is all true, therefore the truth value for this compound statement is true. Then for this given, so again, substitute the truth value for every variables. So for Q, the truth value is true, then implies the negation of P, the truth value is false. Then to simplify, so this one true implies the negation of false or not false, this one is true. Then again, for arrow, so only true implies false is false, the rest are true. So since this one is true implies true, so therefore the truth value for this compound statement is true. Then for this given, so the negation of Q and Q is true. Then this double arrow, the negation of P and P is false. Then to simplify, so this not true, this is false. Then these double arrows, not false, this one is true. So for double arrows, so if the same, the truth value is true. If different, the truth value is false. So since this one, different values, so therefore the truth value for this compound statement is false. Then for this given, so P, the truth value is false. Then for this disjunction, the negation of Q, Q is true. Then to simplify, so this one is false. Then disjunction, not true, this one is false. So for disjunction, if there is true, then the truth value is true. Since all false, therefore the truth value for this compound statement is false. Then for this given, to find the truth value, so we have the negation of P. P is false. Then conjunction, the negation of Q. Q is true. then implies P is false. Then to simplify, so we have the negation of false conjunction, not true, this one is false, then implies false. Then we need to simplify first inside the parentheses. So the negation, so for this conjunction, if there is false, the truth value is false. So since there is false, therefore the truth value is false, then implies false. Then for this not false, this one is true, implies false. So for arrow, so again for arrow, if true implies false, the truth value is false. So for this, the true implies false. Therefore, the truth value for this compound statement is false.